Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see my unboxing and giveaway of the NYX Diamonds and Ice Please advent calendar. This is 24 days of NYX goodies, and I'm so excited. If you haven't already seen one of these unboxings, which I'm pretty sure you might have, then you're going to be really excited about what comes in here. There's some really great things. This is the first advent calendar of the season that I thought was actually worth the money to actually buy. There's so many advent calendars out there right now that it's just not worth it. We're going to talk about one in another video, and the Charlotte one, not worth it. I'll have it linked below in my holiday playlist. Sephora one, don't even dare try and buy that one. It's that bad. It's so bad. And my Too Faced one, it's at the very end of that video, but I do tell you everything that's coming in that one. But this one I thought is so worth it. I have another one on the way that I'm gonna cry when it gets here because it's so amazing. But we're gonna give away quite a lot of items out of here. So if you guys are into these types of videos where I unbox advent calendars and give crap away, then give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I will get into the giveaway details later on, but I do have to say there is a few extra items that are added into this giveaway before we open up this calendar. So I'm gonna tell you what those are. So if you haven't seen the video that I posted right before this, I have the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, the Travel Size Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, the Travel Size Too Faced Peach Mattifying Loose Powder setting powder, and then the Kat Von D eyeliner. Also in this giveaway is the NYX Love Lust Disco Rose and Play eyeshadow palette. This was actually a free gift with purchase. So, I mean, I'm not gonna use it. Here it is, super pretty. That's going in the giveaway. Now, I'm really excited to get into this, but right before we start, if you guys are wondering what's on my eyes, because I do have two different eye looks, I did review the Salted Caramel Too Faced palette for holiday 2020, and if you guys are interested in purchasing this palette, I would say watch my review because I have some thoughts and opinions on that, so definitely go check it out if you are planning on making that purchase. And I'm so excited. Let's get into this. I hope it's not too bright in here. I feel like it's too bright, but yeah, let me scoot over because this is exciting. Now, I have to say that I love NYX and everything about NYX. They have really great lip products, so that's why I was like, I know this is gonna be worth it. So let's start with box number one. First advent calendar of the year. I'm so excited. Okay, so all of these that are in here are sample sizes, but they're like half of the product that you would have gotten in a full size. So I'm just gonna keep that back there. Okay, so we have the matte lipstick in the shade Perfect Red. Here is what that shade looks like, and this will be going in the giveaway. Next up, door number two, we have NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminizer. This is also going to go in the giveaway. You could use this as a highlighter, you can use this and mix it with your moisturizer or your primer and give yourself a nice luminous primer. That's a great product to have. Definitely gonna love that. Box number three, what are we getting? A NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, which these are wonderful. Now, this is in the shade Cannies, and I do not want to open it, but that is what this shade is. Pretty much what this looks like is going to be the shade, so yeah. Giveaway. What is behind door number four? We have a single eyeshadow in this really gorgeous purple shade. Now, I can say that I saw someone swatch these, and they swatch so beautiful and so metallic and just beautiful that everyone is surprised on the quality of these single shadows. Like, they're like so good. So if you want to see what these look like swatched, go check out another video. Sorry, but I'm giving it away so you guys can have it. Door number five, we have a This Is Everything lip scrub. That's exciting, and I'm going to be adding this to the giveaway. Door number six, we have a butter gloss. This is in the shade Angel Food Cake. Super great. I love NYX butter glosses so much. I have two here. These are my favorite all-time shades, like all-time favorite shades in Fortune Cookie and creme brulee. So I'm gonna give this one to you guys. So Angel Food Cake, you're gonna love it. Door number 7. We have another gorgeous, gorgeous single eyeshadow. I remember this one was like the most beautiful ever. Like this one would be a really beautiful like holiday, super in your face intense shimmer shade for the lid. Yeah, you're gonna love it. Door number 8, we have what is this? This is the NYX hashtag This Is Everything lip oil. I've never tried any of their lip oils, but like lip oils also don't intrigue me to like want to try. But yeah, giveaway. I really do hope this video is not like really, really bright because I feel like it is. It's just, it's a bright day. Okay, door number 9. We have another This Is Everything lip oil in sheer blush. The other one was in sheer, so this is going to be in the giveaway. There we go. Door number 10. We have the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminizer. Same thing as last time. You can definitely add this to moisturizer or a primer and get a nice glow. Or you can just use this as a primer in itself. Great product to have. Door 11. We have another NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. These are really, really good quality, you guys. This is really great. You guys are gonna love it. Door number 12, which is also my favorite number. Can't get it out. Okay, we have the NYX hashtag This Is Everything Lip Loving Balm, which will also be going in the giveaway. Door number 13, which is Taylor Swift's favorite number. Oh, and this is a good product, you guys. Here's the NYX finishing powder. It's the high def finishing powder. I can say that the only time I've like really ever hit pan on anything in my entire life was this product, but the full size, where I was literally getting the product off of the like sides of the container. I used it all up, every last drop. I did like it. You gotta be careful with it though, because it can give you flashback, so like less is more, but you guys are gonna like this. Door 14, we have a matte lipstick in the shade Natural. This is actually a really beautiful shade. I know you guys are going to enjoy. Door number 15, we have a NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brulee, which I already have this shade. It's so good. You're gonna love it. Number 16, another beautiful single eyeshadow. This one is in Golden Bronze, and it's so pretty. Door number 17. Another single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Bronzed Goddess. So pretty. Door number 18, we have another matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Siren. This is a beautiful fall dark shade. I think you guys will love. I think I've said that like every time. Door number 19, we have another matte lipstick. This is in the shade Whipped Caviar. Honestly, I feel like I need to keep this one for myself because like the shade is so beautiful, and you guys have enough already, right? Oh yeah, I need this color in my life. I'm so sorry, but I paid $55 for this. I get to keep something. That's the shade swatched beautifully on the back of my hand. Yeah, that's for me, thank you. Door number 20, another beautiful single eyeshadow. This is in the shade Rose Gold, and it definitely looks rosy and goldy, and it looks beautiful. I wish it would focus. There we go, look at that. Door number 21, which is the age that everyone wishes they were. This is the NYX Professional Makeup High Def Studio Photogenic Eyeshadow Base, which is a fantastic primer to have for all of your eyeshadows that you're going to be getting in this giveaway. We're almost done. Door number 22, another single eyeshadow. This one looks so beautiful. This is in the shade Antique Gold, and I'm like almost tempted to keep it. That's how beautiful this shade is. Like, I'm not even kidding. Somebody swatched it and I was dying. I was dying. Okay, door number 23. We have a NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the shade Tiramisu, and I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to keep this one for myself as well because this is one that I've always wanted. I just never bought, and they smell so good. Let me give you a swatch. Beautiful. I'm sorry, I just have to keep it for myself. There it is swatched on the bottom. Love it. Love it, love it. Door number 24. What do we have here? This is a long number. Then we have the NYX Pore Filler Primer Base. Love that. Great product to have for sure. So that is everything that came in this advent calendar. Let's go over the products really quick and I'll give you the details on how to win this giveaway. Okay, so here's everything that you're going to win. And I have to say, there's a lot of items here. There really is. So how to enter to win this giveaway is number one, be subscribed to this channel, as well as be following me over on Instagram. I will have it linked below because I will be doing this giveaway over on Instagram where I'm going to announce, I'm going to be posting the giveaway photo. All you have to do is go over there, like the photo, and leave a comment. Leaving a comment on that photo is going to let me know that you are entered, and we're going to go through everyone on the comment section. I'm going to link it, paste it to this website, and then it's going to go and it's going to pick somebody out. So definitely go over to Instagram, make sure you're following me there, like, and comment on that photo to be entered to win. And of course, be subscribed to my channel. Giveaway will end 2 weeks from today, and I will announce the winner over on Instagram. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this advent calendar. I think it is a bang for your buck. Of course, you get half the product of what you would get if you got the full size, but for $55, you got some really good products here. Nobody can use a lipstick or a lip gloss up that fast, so I think that there's a really good amount of product here. You have face products to try out, single shadows, plus this eyeshadow palette, plus everything else that I added. I think right now this is a pretty spectacular giveaway, if I do say so myself. But yeah, this is it. That is all. And yeah, I'll have all the details down below. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to be entered into the giveaway. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.